Alright class, let's take a look at question 2. When 4 metal bars were hung from a rod, they move in different direction as shown in the diagram below. So this is the piece of rod, and these are A, B, C, and D, and these are the metal bars. So from the direction of movement, very obviously, I can see my B and C, they are moving apart from each other. So which means that most likely they are repelling. Okay, I'm moving away from each other. Bar C and bar D, bar C and bar B, they are repelling. It means most likely they are magnets. Because remember, when magnets have their light poles facing each other, let's assume the North Pole and the North Pole are facing each other, which means they are having their light poles facing each other, they are going to repel like this. So remember what Mrs. Tan mentioned in class. To test for magnets, we have to use the repulsion test. Okay, to test for magnets, we have to use the repulsion method because only magnets will repel another magnets when their light poles are facing each other, like these two poles, like these two bar. Okay, these two bar, they're having their light poles facing each other, which is a north pole and north pole. In this case, they are facing each other, therefore they repel. So most likely, you see from here, my answer most likely is number 3, which is B and C. But let's take a look at my bar D and bar A. Okay, let's take a look at bar A. Bar A is actually having no reaction, no interaction with my bar B. So it means that my bar A is most likely an object that is made of non-magnetic material. Okay, that's made of non-magnetic material, which means that it could be a plastic, for example, like plastic, or even rubber or glass. Okay, all these are non-magnetic. Even my metal, such as aluminium, my gold, silver, copper, all these are non-magnetic as well. Okay, so all these material are non-magnetic. Then let's take a look at my body. Body is right here. You can see the body is obviously moving. You see the line here, the string is tilted one side. It means that it's actually being attracted to my bar C. So body, there's two possibility. It's either body is a magnet. Okay, if body is a magnet, it means that most likely this will be my south pole. Sorry, this will be my south pole here, and this will be my north pole. Okay, so when the unlike pole are facing each other, when both of these are magnets, they will attract when the unlike poles are facing each other. But my body, it could also be a magnetic object, which means that it could be an object, a bar that's made of iron or steel. Okay, made of iron or steel. Okay, iron or steel are actually my magnetic material. So it means that my body, there are two possibilities. It can be an object made of a magnetic material, which is such as your I smell chicken nugget, which I've been telling you in class. I smell chicken nugget stand for iron, steel, chicken is a C, and nugget is an N. So C is actually our cobalt. Okay, and our N is the nickel. So these 4 materials are actually materials that we consider them as magnetic. So my body, it can be an object made of this material, magnetic material, or my body can also be a magnet when they are unlike poles. Unlike poles means poles of difference, parts are facing each other. So when the unlike poles are facing each other, they will attract. So from here, my option B, am I comparing to my option B and C? So 1 and option 3. Of course, I will choose option 3 because from here, it very clearly shows that both my bar B and C are magnets. So my bar B, which is the option 1, will not be correct, but will be incorrect in this case. So I'm going to put a cross just to double check. A and B, my A is definitely not a magnet, so this is a wrong answer. My C is possible. C is a magnet, it's possible. But from here, the only option that is most likely both of them are magnet is actually my bar B as well as my bar C. Therefore, my answer will be option number 3. Hope you understand.